Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Android and free up some space. So first of all, what you have to do is open your phone settings and then make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. So just connect your Wi-Fi. So after connecting the Wi-Fi, open the Chrome, go to a new tab, tap on these three dots in the top right corner and simply go for this history. And you have to delete all of the history from that. Just delete browsing history and then tap on delete all and then simply delete all the data. Then wait for a second. After then go back. Just go to your settings again and search for this storage, and in settings go for this storage, and then you have to delete the unwanted data and apps from your mobile and also a cache. And you can also delete the duplicate data. If you have a large files and you are not using it, you can delete that as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to clear cache on Android and free up some space. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.